Do you also want to get rich quickly? But always your low salary to motivate you from between, right? Salary actually doesn't make a man a millionaire. It's actually their habits that lead them to prosperous life. Well, in this video we will be telling you the 10 best tricks that will make you rich very quickly. Watch the video till the end or you may miss some most crucial steps and secrets. Now let's start. Look at your total spending. Learn how much money you're bringing in and how much you're spending each month. Maintaining a record of all your spending is one way to succeed. Get started keeping track of your spending for 30 days. Fill it out completely, including the change you leave in a coffee shop tip jar. By doing this, you'll get a clear picture of where your money is going and identify areas where you might need to cut back. By looking at your spending patterns, you may also be able to figure out why you're spending too much, like if you can't say no to a restaurant invitation when you absolutely can't afford it. Make a budget and watch it closely. The framework of a budget helps you order your money and live within your means. In order to avoid taking home a lot of food, it is important to keep track of where your monthly income is going. An itemized budget can help you keep track of your spending in different areas and make changes as needed. When making a budget, the 50-30-20 rule is a popular alternative. By doing this, you spend 50% of your income on things you need, essentials, 30% on things you want, non-essentials, and the last 20% on savings. Following this advice can help you handle your money better and lead to prosperity even on a low salary. Do press the red subscribe button and also the like button if you want to know more amazing financial tips and secrets to get rich. Put some cash away to save. When you're barely getting by, saving money can seem inconceivable. Although, if you only make minimum wage, saving $5, $10, or $20 each pay period can add up over time. Actually, you could set up your bank account to move money automatically into your savings account a day or two after each paycheck. It's as easy as setting up regular bill payments, and it can help you begin saving money. In addition, this can help you save money and even improve your mental health. People who save money report less mental discomfort and higher financial happiness, according to a study from the University of Arizona. Saving money in a high-yield savings account is more beneficial as it will make your money grow faster and clear your way to millions of dollars even on a low salary. Find out about government benefits. Millions of low-income people in the U.S. are eligible for federal and state disability payments. Feeding, medical care, housing, and other costs can be lowered with this help for people living on minimum wage. Some of the most well-known programs are Medicaid, CHIP, Child's Health Insurance Program, food stamps, SNAP, temporary assistance for needy families, TANF, and others. The website benefits.gov can help you find out what benefits you may be able to get. Take advantage of food deals. Naturally, eating out less and getting takeout will lower your food bill. Families and individuals making the minimum wage may be eligible for SNAP or food stamps to assist with the cost of food. Consider going to supermarkets that are less expensive, using coupons, buying store brands or generic ones, and, if the store offers one, seeing if they have a customer club card that lets you get even more discounts. When cash is tight, buying in bulk and keeping bread, milk, eggs, peanut butter, pasta, beans, rice, tuna, and canned soups on hand can help. Use other methods to make more money. Additionally, if you are having trouble meeting your financial obligations, you might think about ways you can make extra money. Right now could be the time to look for a job that pays more or just ask your boss for a raise. When you're not working, think about getting a side job like driving for Uber or Lyft or bringing food for DoorDash, Grubhub, or Instacart. Additionally, you could find extra work by cleaning people's homes, watching kids, walking dogs, or taking care of pets. Your handmade goods at a craft show or on Etsy. Advertise your useless items on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or the neighborhood group in your area so other people may want to buy them. Selling things at a garage or yard sale can also bring in cash if you have enough to sell. Lower your housing costs. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, most of an American's income goes toward housing. The cost of renting or buying a home keeps going up across the country, which can be a big problem for people who are living on the minimum wage. Researchers from the National Low-Income Housing Coalition found that to buy a one-bedroom rental home at the fair market rent, the average minimum wage worker needs to work 79 hours a week, which is about 2 full-time jobs. There are budget-friendly ways to lower your living costs if you're paying too much. While you're saving, you might want to move to a cheaper part of town or city, get a partner, or live with a friend or family member. Consider asking for low-cost public housing in your area that is set up just for people with low incomes who qualify. Local public housing companies are supervised by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, HUD. Contact your area housing authority by going to hud.gov. Focus on paying down your debt. Being unemployed makes it easy to get into debt, especially if you use credit cards to get by until your next paycheck. This could cause you to have big credit card bills at the end of the month and make it more likely that you won't be able to make the minimum payment. Consolidate your debt by combining several debt payments into one. Imagine moving your amount to a credit card that offers a special rate of 0% or low interest. You may be able to pay off your debt faster before the interest rate goes up in these cases. Help from a trustworthy nonprofit like the National Foundation for Credit Counseling, nfcc.org, a professional credit counselor, or a qualified financial manager can help you commence tackling your debt. Keep healthcare costs as low as possible. Insurance and medical bills can really hurt a budget. This could help lower those costs. Medicaid and CHIP are 2 government programs that help low-income families and people get free or cheap healthcare. For more information on whether you qualify, visit healthcare.gov and complete an application. Utilize a discount card or coupons from companies like GoodRx, SingleCare, or America's Pharmacy to lower the cost of prescription medicines at shops that participate. Take advantage of many free health-promoting activities. Try to get cheaper transportation. Car ownership and upkeep can cost a lot of money. To lower your costs, think about public transportation, sharing, walking, or taking a bike as options to owning a car. Make an effort to cut down on unnecessary trips when you're driving to save gas and protect your car. Visiting different gas shops in your area can help you save money on gas. That's all for today. Now you know all the best tricks that could make you rich very quickly, even on a very low salary. These tricks have made many people rich. You can also get rich with these tricks. Many people just leave the hope of getting rich because of low salary, but this is not right. Instead, you should work harder and accumulate millions of dollars. As I already said in my previous videos, money won't ever come to you if you are just expecting it to come to you and now doing anything out of the box and innovative things to gain it. Money is very important for making a person powerful. You should handle it with care, and you should also invest it. Investing needs some research. Press the red subscribe button below if you want to know the best tips on personal finance and investments to do in 2024. Also press the like button if you loved watching this video. This motivates us to make more new amazing videos related to finance. Share this video with all of your friends and family members. Comment below if you are having any queries or suggestions for us. Thank you for watching the video till here.